Welcome all of you. BSc 3rd semester 6 inorganic chemistry topic inorganic reaction mechanism. So we will see the new topic called inorganic reaction mechanism. In this, in general reaction mechanism is the pathways of reaction from reactants to product. That means formation of activated complex, stereochemical changes, change in the rate of the reaction are included. No one mechanism is known completely, and hence one can say possible mechanism of the reaction. However, experimental evidences, kinetic data along with stereochemical changes provide very strong indications of the reaction mechanism. Next, we will see the classification of mechanisms. Here, inorganic reaction mechanisms are classified in three major classes. Number one, dissociative mechanism. Second, associative mechanism. And third one, interchange mechanism. Dissociative called D, associative mechanism called A, and interchange mechanism called as I. In general, substitution in coordination complex takes place in two ways. Number one, nucleophilic substitution, that is SN reaction, and second one, electrophilic substitution, that is SE reaction. In coordination compounds, nucleophilic reagents are ligands. In coordination compounds, nucleophilic reactions are ligands, while electrophilic agents are central metals. Okay? In coordination compounds, nucleophilic reagents are ligands, while electrophilic agents are the central metals. Okay. Now, the rate of reaction depends upon only on activity of ln(x), and hence these type reactions are known unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN1. The electrophilic substitution reactions are out of scope of the syllabus. Hence we shall see nucleophilic substitution reactions and their mechanisms in detail. Further, Langford and Gray labeled the reaction mechanism in complexes as intimate and stereometric mechanisms. Intimate mechanisms includes the dissociative D and associative A mechanisms, and they are further classified into SN1, SN1 limit, SN2 and SN2 limit as stoichiometric mechanisms, which is shown in the following table. Here table shows classification of mechanisms. First one mechanism, that is intimate, that is, and second one stoichiometric. Dissociative, that is D, that is SN1 ID and SN1 limit. And associative A, that is SN1, that is LA, and SN2 limit, that is A. Now, here note that SN1 limit and SN2 limit means there are clear evidences for formation of either less coordinated or higher coordinated intermediates respectively. Otherwise, interchange mechanisms may take place as shown in the table. Let us see associative, dissociative and interchange mechanisms in brief. Number 1. Dissociative mechanisms. In dissociative mechanism, bond breaking and formation of an intermediates by the reduced coordination number of central metal is important. It is illustrated as NMX gives MLA plus X, that is number 1, and number 2 MLN minus 1 plus Y, reaction should be fast and gives ML A minus 1 Y. Note that majority of these substitution reactions in octahedral complexes takes place by dissociative mechanism reaction. Number 1 is the rate determining step because its slowest elementary step and activation energy is high, while reaction 2 is very fast and due to small activation energy, which is shown in the figure 1.1a. So this figure shows the reaction progress versus E, that is reaction progress for A is dissociative, B interchange, and C is associative mechanism. MLN plus Y, it gives MLN Y plus X. So this is the reaction progress. And third one is interchange, BSC associative mechanisms. Okay. Thank you.